Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video we're going to be making the super easy Hasselback potatoes. Now let's cook. So hey guys, here I have 3 medium potatoes. Now I'm going to be slicing these pretty thinly just so that they can fan out. So guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so, help your girl out. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. Now guys, your slices don't have to be perfect because God knows I was struggling. God knows I was struggling, so guys, just ensure to get decent size cuts, and yours, they don't have to be as thin as mine. Yeah. So now to season the potatoes, I'm adding parsley and canola oil. I'll also be using garlic powder, onion powder, and garlic salt. The garlic salt, it gives this amazing flavor, so I just omit the regular salt and use garlic salt for flavor. Now guys, I'm drizzling that season all over the potatoes, just making sure that I'm also getting in between those slices. Just try as best as you can to just coat each slices. So guys, this is our potatoes all coated with that amazing season. Now I'm going to be baking these for about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. Now I'm sprinkling parm over it. You guys can go ahead and use your sour cream, or you can even do cheesy Hasselback potatoes. It's amazing regardless. This is an absolutely super easy side dish. It was super easy to prepare, little to no time at all. But I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post a new video. I love you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.